So welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing this wig sent to me by Vivi Babi on Amazon. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am back with the final look. So this is what I got here. I like it. It's really cute. It's really simple, nice and short. And it honestly didn't take that much work. I did not bleach the knots at all. I just applied powder as you've seen and plucked the hairline just a little bit. It came pre-plucked, but I just wanted to pluck it a little bit more. Put a little baby hairs in and then put some powder down my part, and that was it. So let me tell you the specs of this wig. And if I didn't say already, this wig was sent to me by Vivi Babi on Amazon. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that, but that is what it looks like on Amazon. Focus. Okay, so that's what it looks like on Amazon. And I got the, what did I get? I do this every time. So I got the 10-inch, yeah, so I got the 10-inch 4x4 water wave bob wig. And all together, including tax, it came out to $60.98. Does not break the bank, okay, period. So yeah, I really like this hair. It's really cute. So what I did do, I'm not sure if I'm gonna input it in the video, but I did go in and layer it just a little bit to frame my face right here. So I cut a little bit of short layers in it right here, but other than that, I co-washed the hair and that was it. This package came to me in about 2 days, I want to say, with Amazon Prime, and I love it. It's really cute. I've never had this short of a bob curly wig before, so it's different, but I like it. So this is what it looks like all the way around. Babiana. But yeah, honestly, I do not have much to say about this wig. I did have a few flyaways up top, and one thing I did notice is that the closure seems to be a different texture than the rest of the wig. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to get as close as I can, but it's like the closure is a little looser of a curl than the bottom of the hair. Honestly, I don't know if you can tell, and I'm too close for comfort. But other than that, I mean, this is real simple. It's a real everyday go-to throw-on type of wig. It got the elastic band on it, which is good. I just applied a little bit of my Got2b ultra glued in the black bottle just to lay it down a little bit more flat, and blow dried it. And no, actually, I think I used the spray. You know, I can't tell, but you'll see in the video. But that was it. And I'm sorry I keep looking up. My viewfinder is up, so I'm trying to look in the camera, so you know, don't come for me. But that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.